Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is my subject today, and I made this image by Adobe Photoshop, used a filter called Find Edges, and I'm gonna try to make watercolor image from these two images. Well, let's get started. Well, I'm gonna move this empty layer in between these two layers, and I'm gonna turn it on, this pencil drawing type image, then change the blend mode normal to darken so we can see through underneath of the base image. Then I'm gonna turn this base image tone down. Oh, this one tone down, well, about 70, 50, yeah. Then I'm gonna paint on this layer. Okay, now I'm gonna paint on first layer is these whiskey bottles and sake too. Okay, go for glass first, huh? Let's go from this. Okay, I'm gonna add layer to get this red, orange, and red colors. I'm not gonna put on same layer first time. I'm gonna add layer, then merge down. Okay, merge down later. Now just see it. Okay, now overall whiskey group is pretty much done. Well, let's touch up a little bit details. Okay, I'm gonna merge down this label. Well, I'm gonna put the base color first. Yeah, pretty dark over here. Okay, now I'm gonna merge down. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer, then again I'm gonna merge down. Well, almost done for bottles, and go for basement and the background. Yeah, so this is base cement. Okay, now I'm going to add layer 2 paint on this slate base. Well, just reflection of the slate is nice. Okay, now let's see. Then I'm gonna touch up this one with the eraser tool with rubber texture. Soft round opacity. Alright, now, okay. Now I'm gonna merge down these 3 layers. Okay, this is a background. Now, one more layer for this background. Let's see, use that background on mask. Well, okay, open it up and create empty mask, then invert mask. Yeah, let's see, with reveal with mixer brush. Okay, multi-mixer. About this much. And maybe I'm gonna add watercolor texture on top. Then add watercolor brush. Okay, now let's see. This pencil drawing type image, I'm going to change the blend mode. Yeah, I like this luminosity image, and also overlay. This is pretty cool too. Linear burn, color burn. Well, I'm interested in this linear burn and overlay, the color of this, then luminosity, linear burn, pretty cool. Almost a little bit light, huh? Okay, change wooden base this image, pencil drawing type, linear burn 100, and also this instrument base, linear burn. Then background of the cloth, That's no, just normal one, just watercolor texture. Okay, now I want to see this. Yeah, okay, this mask is just leave it this way. Now, okay, just fix this linear burn image. Okay, select multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not on this white. This is all. Then duplicate layers. Now flatten this. Merge selected. Okay, to get this one image. Now I'm going to turn this one off. It's same image, right? This is normal. I just keep it. Then I'm going to change this linear burn pencil drawing blend mode, change to overlay. I want to use this color image. So again, well, let's see. Okay, select multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, we don't need this last one, so this is it. Okay, then duplicate layers. Now I'm gonna merge selected. Okay, we got two images. One is linear burned, but combined one image. Then second one, this is overlay image combined. Now we see this color, right? Now when I turn on this first one, then normal to darken or color burn. That's too much. Okay, go back to normal, but I'm gonna move this layer, go up to first one, then go darken or multiply. I want to make it kind of softer, so I'm going to tone down opacity about 40% or so. Okay, well, these layers here, I'm going to turn these off. Yeah, this is the best image. Just turn it off. Last one. Okay, we got the watercolor image, overlay, change to multiply. Then this is a linear burn image, which I fixed one layer. Well, I guess that's it for today, and this is watercolor image. A little bit complicated, but I like this watercolor here. But I may change somehow using these layers and make another creative image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.